Hi. In this episode, we'll be downloading the Hot Potatoes program from the internet, and we'll be making a jmatch drag and drop game. So let's get started. I'll search for hot potatoes in Google. And here it is. We'll go to the Hot Potatoes homepage, and I'll click on the downloads. And I'll download the Hot Potatoes 6.3 installer. I'll save it to my hard drive. Once it's been saved, I'll go to the file. One thing I always do before I install files is I scan them with I'm using Avast. It's a free virus scanner. It seems okay, and we'll double click to install it. I'll click run. I'll say yes, and I'll say English. Click next, accept, next, and let's put it in the default proof. I'll just create a quick launch icon, and I'll click install. Now the program is finished installing, and now I'll launch Hot Potatoes. I'll call open terminal. Okay, and choose language. Just use English. Okay, there it is. They have 5 games. jmatch is a matching game. jclose is a gap fill game. jquiz is a multiple choice game. jcross is a crossword puzzle game. And jmix is a mixed up sentence game. I'll be showing you jmatch, jquiz, and jcross. So we'll start with jmatch. Now we're ready to make the jmatch game. So we enter a title, jmatch hotkeys game, and we'll be testing the Windows hotkeys. So we'll test copy, paste, select all, select item, and menu. These are the matching items, and they'll be mixed. So to copy, in Windows we press Ctrl C. To paste, we press Ctrl V. To select all, we press Ctrl A. To select an item, we left click it, and the menu bar, we right click. If we wanted to add more, we could add the up arrows, but I won't. I'll leave that at 5. Now we go to options and configure output. But it's important here to go to the buttons and deselect these buttons, or else they'll have the next button that won't connect to anything. So the next and go to contents button, we deselect those, And if we want to change the appearance, we can change the colors here. And if we want to set the time limit, make this 2-minute time limit. And we'll leave these other settings as default and select OK. Now we go to File and create a web page. And there's 3 different options in the jmatch game. You can have a flashcard like our previous game. We can have the drag and drop format or the standard format. We're going to go with this drag and drop format. And it prompts you to save it. I'll call it jmatch hotkeys game. It'll be saved as an HTML type file. So I'll click save. And then I'll click do nothing. So the game has been saved. Now we're going to upload it into our Moodle site. We're in Moodle. I'm logged in as Jacob Smith and editing has been turned on. So I'm going to go to add a game. And this time we're going to add a link to a file or a website. So we're going to upload the file. Under name, let's say jmatch hotkeys game. I'll just say the same for the summary. Now I'll choose or upload a file. It gets me to this dialog box. I'm going to make a new folder for all our hot potatoes game. So I'll call it hot potatoes. I'll go into the hot potato folder and I'll make another folder called jmatch. So basically I'm putting it under the hot potatoes folder and then again under the jmatch to separate the different hot potatoes files. Now I'll click upload a file. I'll browse. And here's our jmatch hotkeys game.html. Now I'll click open. I'll click upload this file. Okay, so it's been added, and now I'll select choose this file. And here it adds the location, and then I'll save and return to course. Okay, here's our game, and I'll right click to select it, open up a new window, and here it is. jmatch hotkeys game matching exercise, and here are the instructions. Match the items on the right to the items on the left. So I'll make some mistakes just to see how it looks with mistakes. I'll check it. Oh, I only got one right. So you can remove these and copy is Control C. So drag and drop, paste is Control V. Select all is Control A, and right click is the menu. And it minuses from my each attempt minus 20%, so it's correct. Well done. And that's the jmatch hotkeys game. I'll see you back in the next episode.